Hello to everyone. Okay, I'm doing my 2-hour walk in the mall. Let me give you a quick shot. Okay, so I have a couple of things to chat about, and one of the followers said she saved $50 trying to save $1,000, and that is good. You know, $50 is actually a lot of money. I need to redirect my thinking as well. And I messaged back to her at the end of the last month. I know people who didn't have any food or any money. So that is good forward direction. Now what I intend to do is save $3 a day or $21 a week, and then at the end of the month I will take a look and see what happened, and if possible I will add $10 a week. And that was a comment from one of the followers, and thank you very much if that was you. The comments are awesome. You gotta read the comments. And so another comment was, they do pretty well on the money saving and such. Love Penny's. This is a pretty store. I love the store. Okay. Another comment was they do pretty well on during the week, but during the weekend, it's hard to save money. I think it's because a lot of us torture ourselves all week. And so one of the tricks is to try to eliminate all unpleasantness. Here's Penny's. But I could tear that place up. Okay, and so I used to live in this really crappy apartment. And what would happen is on the weekends, the girls' boyfriends would come over and they would eat all the food in the house, and then, you know, they would be broke. Most likely the boyfriends were hungry as well. So of course I have a solution for that. At the time there were coupons. If you bought like a carton of eggs, you would get a loaf of bread free. And so I taught her how to do that, and she started piling her house full of food. And another trick is make these big batches of food, like the chili, like the vegetable stew with tostadas and rice, and cut all your food in small pieces, so you're generating a lot of food, but you're not eating all the food you have, and it can easily happen. I mean, ask anybody who's without food. That's why I do this channel. And then there was a comment, one of the ladies said, put those peppers in fettuccine, and I was just planning on making some tuna casserole, and believe me, I'll be doing that soon. And so and another thing is, when you stockpile the great big cans of tomatoes, the great big cans of food, you're not as apt to run out of food. And then if there's some left, just freeze it. I have a lot of chili left, and so I am giving chili to my, oh, this is the store, you guys. Charming Charlie. Okay, and so I'm giving the rest of the chili to my son. So anyway, that is my chat, and I'm very happy that you guys are stockpiling. And another thing is, somebody asked me, well, what will you do with all these seedlings? Well, I don't know. First of all, I'm shocked any of them sprouted like that. But now, these are my plants, you know, and so, you know, I could sell them. I will give a few away to my friends, but what I will do is I will control my plant amounts. I will just stop planting, you know, when I start getting too many plants, and I think I'm just about there now. I must have 20, 30 tomato plants, and then the comments are really good. One of the comments, you guys got to read the comments. I want to show you probably my favorite store in the mall is plant a sliced tomato, and the seeds will come up, and so I will buy a good organic tomato and try that. And one of the followers said plant some potato sprouts, and there's another one. What was it? Anyway, I forget now, but it's in the comments. You can find that out. We have a nice movie theater here too. But another thing is, I want to encourage you guys, look at this. That was quite the Super Bowl. I loved it. Of course, I'm a Patriots fan. But I want to show you my favorite store. Look, I'm going to give you guys a tour of this. We have candy, the candy store. You know, they don't have this in Texas. Glad I don't live in Texas. Not just for the candy issue. I just want to give you a look at the candy.
I'm gonna shop some more.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh boy.
I'll tell shop.
Well worth the money, you guys. All right, let me just give you a quick shot.
A sample of our Normandy.
Well, I'm not buying anything right
It's
now.
okay, we can still have a sample.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you.
I'm just gonna leave now. Bye. Bye. I'll say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye,
This is funny.